This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making spring onions and ginger chicken stir fry. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs here. You can of course use chicken breast, but I find chicken breast to be a lot drier than chicken thighs. You can leave the skin on or off your chicken thighs or chicken breast. I'll leave the skin on for this dish. Trim off any visible fat. You will find that your chicken thighs have a thicker side and a thinner side. To help the chicken cook more evenly, cut the thicker parts of the chicken in half horizontally so that the thickness will match the thinner side. Now, cut the chicken into 2 finger width pieces. Next, marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. The cornflour will give the chicken a nice sear and a nice color. Mix all this well. Set it aside while we prepare the aromatics. For the aromatics, slice up 5 slices of ginger. You don't really need to peel the ginger if you can wash it clean. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. Smash up 4 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin and give it a rough chop. Cut up 2 stalks of spring onions. Remove the dry tops. Then chop up the top few inches of the green parts and use it for garnishing later. For the rest, bash it up to help it release its flavor. Then, cut it into about 2 finger width lengths. Next, cut up a medium-sized red onion into relatively large pieces. In a pan, over medium to high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the pan and the oil is hot, add in the chicken. Spread the chicken out in 1 layer at the bottom of the pan. Give it about a minute or 2 for the bottom of the chicken to turn brown. Then, turn the chicken over and brown the other side. When the other side is brown, push the chicken aside and we'll fry the aromatics. If your pan is not big enough, remove the chicken altogether. Add in some more oil if necessary, then add in the aromatics. That's the ginger, the spring onions, the garlic, and the onions. Let these cook for a minute or two for them to release their flavor. When it's fragrant, stir everything together. If you had removed your chicken earlier, put your chicken back into the wok. Next, add in about 3 tablespoons of water. Cover and let the water come to a boil and create some steam to cook the chicken. After about a minute, the chicken should be relatively dry. Now for the seasoning. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce by swirling it around the sides. Do the same for 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give all this a good mix and we are done. This is a Chinese stir-fry staple, spring onions and ginger chicken stir-fry.